In today's video, we're going to see about how to create, attach, and detach the EBS volume. Okay, so to do that, first we need to create an instance. Launch instance. For this, I'm going to create two instances. So I'll give this instances Windows. Okay, name tag as Windows, and I'll go with Windows 2022 base, and T3 micro, it's the default. Then I'm going to use the existing key pair 2. Then network subnet automation the same. Then I'm going to do view existing security group. Launch wizard 1 or launch wizard 2. Let's take launch wizard 2. Okay, 30 GB as root volume. Then here in advanced, if we go now volume 1, we can add other volume also, but as of now simple. If we go to advanced details here, then what you will see, so I'm going to launch two instances with the same name, and I'll rename the instance. Okay, now storage volume preview. Okay, I don't need this. Okay, launch instance. So before that, so we want to launch two instances. So for two instance, the root volume is 30 GB and 30 GB. So one instance have 30 GB and other instance also have 30 GB. Okay, so launch instance. It's launching. Okay, it is launched. So now I'll go to view all instances. Okay, do a refresh. Then I'll change this name as Windows 1. Here Windows 1 save, Windows 2 save. Okay, if you see here, it is turning T3 micro, status initializing, alarm. Okay, availability zone is US East 1. This is main, public DNS, elastic, security group. Okay, everything is given. Just refresh. And here in storage, you go to storage, other information. See, the root device is something dev SDA1, and it is root device is EBS. It is enabled. This is the volume ID. It is in use, attached state. Okay, delta and termination, yes. Okay, now what you have to do is I'm going to launch the instance. Before that, security network. Okay, now connect. RDP, get password, key 2, right? So key 2.pem, and upload, get a password, then remote desktop connection. I'm going to paste our public DNS. Public DNS, more choices, use different account, username is administrator, password is given, then okay, instance is getting launched. Okay, it is launching. It's taking time. If we see here, we go to, okay, it's taking time. It's not okay. So if we go to the serve manager, desktop explorer, okay, it is file explorer. This PC, yeah, we have a root volume or EBS volume of 30 GB. So computer manager, in this disk management, and see there is 30 GB, right? 30 GB. So we have to add the EBS volume in the Windows one. Before that, we need to launch another server. See, two instances running, two instances running. Okay. This instance connect RDP, get password, upload file, key to PEM, get decrypt, remote. This one, copy this, paste, connect. More choice, different, administer, password, then okay. Yes. Windows Windows 2. So we have to create a volume. So for that, we're going to create volume. Leave these details. Then availability zone the same which we created the instance. Then that's it. Okay. So create volume. So we are going to create not 100 GB volume, just 2 GB. That's it. Okay, then create volume. If we put a refresh, then we can see the volume with the 2 GB here. So we name it as this volume. Okay. Then we're going to attach this volume to the Windows 1. So for that, action attach volume in this, which instance I want to attach. So I want to attach in Windows 1, which is running. Device name, the which it is recommended, we use that device name, then attach. If we go to the Windows now, refresh, and we go to the Windows 1, you can see the attached volume, right? If we want to, it is set as unallocated. If you want to allocate, right click, initialize disk 1, OK, and then right click, new simple volume, and should make it this volume as D type. OK, next, then next. Our volume is D volume is created. So what we're going to do is we're going to detach this D volume and going to attach it in other instance, Windows 2 instance. For that, let's go here. So let's go to volumes. In that volumes, take D. See, it is in use. It is in used. Then other things are basic information. Go to action, detach volume, detach, and then go here. Have actions. Was going to refresh it. Refresh. Click this volume, action, attach volume, and now we want to attach it to Windows 2. Device name as it is recommended, attach volume. Okay, if we go to see, if we go and see now, see, it is other instance, Windows 2 instance, the same disk 1 which is in Windows 1 instance, we just detached and attached it to other instance. This is what. So after this we want to delete everything. So here, action, click everything. As of now, if I am detaching this volume, touch and refreshing. Now I'm going to delete every instance. 1, 2, 3, 4. Every instance. Action. In instance, delete instance. 1, 2, 3, 4. These 4 instance state terminate. So it is disabled. Shutting down. Okay, done. So every instance got terminated, and then we are going to volumes. In volumes, if we do a refresh, if it is delete on termination, everything will be deleted. See, it is available. If we detach, right, it's from detached mode, it is available. If it's not attached mode, then it is in use state. So I'm going to, once it is terminated, what we are going to do is we are going to delete this volume also by action, delete volume. Then the data which is in this volume gets vanished or gets permanently deleted. So this only after. So if some important data is in OS level or in a C drive, if the instance deleted, the C drive also will get deleted. So for some company, they need some data to be needed to be secured in some disk or some what we can say, some other volume. So for that they use this EBS volume, and even though the what we can say instance got terminated, we can get this hard disk, or we can not a hard disk, can get this volume for this. If this volume is deleted, then we can do this permanently deleted. That's it. So we don't have anything in this region, right?